Welcome back to the Locus Educational Series. Today, we'll explore the intermediate level program for auditory sensitivity in children and young people. At this stage, the focus moves into real school, social, and everyday situations. First, consider the child's seating in school. Sitting nearer the teacher can reduce competing background noise and make it easier to focus on the main voice. Where possible, discuss seating with your child in school. A place away from doors, windows, or very noisy groups may help. Next, plan short sensory breaks. After noisy situations such as assembly, lunch, or PE, your child may benefit from a few quiet minutes. This could mean sitting somewhere calm, stretching, doing shoulder rolls, or taking slow breaths. Practice these strategies at home first, so they feel familiar at school. Another useful tool is a visual schedule. Mark potentially noisy events such as assemblies, PE, concerts, or fire drills. Talk about them beforehand and discuss what your child can do if the noise becomes uncomfortable. They might use headphones, take a short break, or stand in a quieter position. Preparation reduces the stress of unexpected sounds. Finally, practice controlled exposure to household noises. Choose one appliance, such as a vacuum, blender, or hairdryer. Let your child explore it while it is switched off. Then agree on a very short trial. They can press the button, listen for 2 seconds, and switch it off. Ask, was that too loud? Okay, or easy? Increase the time or distance gradually, only when they are ready. The important message is, you have choices, and you know what to do when sound becomes difficult. Return to the Locus Therapy app to continue your child's personalized program.